Hi everyone, welcome back to Beyond Infinity. In this video, we are going to break down a simple Java program that checks if a number is perfect cube. Let's go step by step through the code. The first step is to declare the class. We start by declaring the class perfect cube. This is where our logic lives. The next step is to declare the main method. As always, the main method is the entry point of any Java program. This is where the program starts execution. The next step is variable setup. Here we have two variables, num and I. Here, num is the number we want to check if it's a perfect cube. For now, it's set to 8, but we can change its value to test other numbers. I is a counter variable that starts from 1 and will be used to check whether the cube of I equals num. And now, let's build the logic for perfect cube. We will use while loop to build our logic. While the cube of I is less than num, increment I. The while loop here checks the cube of I is less than num. In each iteration, I is incremented by 1. This loop will stop when cube of I becomes greater than or equal to num. For example, when num is equal to 8, the loop checks the cube of 1, 2 and 3. It stops when I equal to 3 because cube of 3 is 27, which is greater than 8. The next step is to check the condition whether the given number is perfect cube or not. Once the loop ends, we will check the cube of I is equal to num. If it is equal, then it's a perfect cube, else we will print not a perfect cube. Now let's run the program. Here the given number is 8. 3 star 3 star 3 is 27. So let's check the same program for the input 27. Let's change the number. Now let me execute the program once. It's also a perfect cube. Now let me give a random number which is not a perfect square. And now let me run the program. Now it is printing it's not a perfect cube. So that's it for today. Thank you.